Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Craving that incredible jerk flavor without the grill? You can make succulent jerk pork right in your oven, and it's surprisingly easy. We're going to show you how to prepare a mouth-watering meal full of those iconic Caribbean spices. Get ready to impress your taste buds and simplify your cooking. This recipe brings the authentic taste of the islands directly to your home with minimal fuss. The secret to incredible jerk pork begins with its vibrant marinade. Gather your essential ingredients: fresh Scotch bonnet peppers for heat, ground allspice, aromatic fresh thyme, and crisp green onions. These, combined with ginger, garlic, and a touch of soy sauce, form a robust flavor base. Remember to select a nice fatty cut of pork, like a shoulder or a Boston butt, as it will stay juicy and tender throughout the cooking process. Once your marinade is ready, generously coat your chosen pork cut, ensuring every piece is well covered. The longer it marinates, the more intense and delicious the flavor will be. Aim for a minimum of 4 hours, but for that truly authentic depth, we recommend marinating overnight or even for a full 24 hours. Always keep your marinated pork tightly covered in the refrigerator to ensure food safety and maximum flavor infusion. Now, it's time to transform that marinated pork into a culinary masterpiece. Preheat your oven to a steady 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your pork in a roasting pan, ensuring it has enough space. Roast it slowly for approximately 3 to 4 hours, or until it's wonderfully fork tender and easily pulls apart. Remember to baste your pork occasionally with the delicious pan juices. This will help keep it incredibly moist and infuse even more flavor. Your incredible oven-baked jerk pork is almost ready to enjoy. Once it's out of the oven, it's crucial to let it rest. Cover it loosely and allow it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This step lets the juices redistribute, guaranteeing a moist and flavorful serving. Carve against the grain and serve this tender, spicy delight with classic sides like rice and peas or a refreshing coleslaw. Enjoy your homemade taste of the Caribbean.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.